Hello, my name is Mercy and I'm a special need educator. Today we are going to talk about cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy, it means that it's cerebral means brain. So CP in full is called cerebral palsy. And what's the meaning of cerebral palsy? Cerebral palsy is the abnormal development of the brain which interferes with the position, posture, balance, and movement of an individual or a child. Now, a child born of CP should start occupational therapy. How do we get to know that a child has been born with a CP? First of all, during birth, or rather the duration of pregnancy and after birth. These are the places where and the chances where CP occurs. It occurs during pregnancy, during birth, and after birth. Now, during pregnancy, the things that happen during pregnancy affects your fetal development, whereby, let's take for example, you are a pregnant mother and you like taking cold things. You take cold water, you take cold soda, you take cold drinks. This will affect your normal development of your child. When you're pregnant, you should mind the things that you digest in your system. Example, like carbonated drinks are not good to be taken when a woman is pregnant. Carbonated drink, especially energy drink, sodas, alcohol, try and avoid taking these things during pregnancy, because some of these things that women take, or rather we take during pregnancy, might be the cause of a CP child in future. Another thing that happened during pregnancy that might cause CP is falls. When a mother is pregnant and falls down, it means that you're going to interfere with the normal development of the fetal brain. Okay? When you interfere with this, the fetus is going to go into a shock. And when that shock strikes the brain, that is when the abnormality of brain development starts. So when you're a mother, when you're a pregnant mother, you should wear comfortable shoes, wear free clothing that you are comfortable in. That's why you are always advised to check on what you wear when you are pregnant. Avoid trousers, avoid tight clothing also. Another thing that might cause CP is when you are pregnant. During pregnancy is that you get sick, and therefore you get to be given a lot of medication, and this medication is not usually good, even though we are told that when we feel bad we need to go to the hospital and get treated. Avoid over-the-counter drugs. So you find that maybe you are during the pregnancy part, you fell sick so many times, and therefore the medications that you are given here and there affects the normal fetal development of your child. You are also advised to eat properly, eat a balanced diet, take a lot of warm water when you are pregnant to ensure a smooth pregnancy and to ensure the fetal is being fed well. Okay, now those are a few of the things that happen during pregnancy. The ones when you are pregnant, during that period of pregnancy, that makes a child to be born of CP. Then the ones that happens during birth. Now, this is a very crucial part. This is where now you say the problem is not yours, but the problem becomes to the one who assists you, the one who is assisting you. Maybe when the child is coming out, and I understand there are women who go for long calls during that time. That long call is not good for your child, but it's a normal thing that happens. It's not that it's nature. We can't stop it from happening. It happens to some women. So the ones that poop, I'm sorry. When a child comes out and the practitioner is not near, and the child comes out and takes those poos in, and if resuscitation is not done at the right moment, the child will be affected. Or maybe during that child of birth, your child comes out by accidentally, your child falls down. That might cause what we call CP. Now, after birth, maybe your child has fallen sick. One, your child was not just okay. Another thing that happens after birth, maybe they get sick, they are fallen down, or such things happen. So, a child born of CP should be taken for occupational therapy.